In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Salesforce support case. By the end, you'll know how to open a new case with the right details and how to merge it with a duplicate if you find one, all within the Salesforce Lightning experience. Start on your Salesforce homepage. From here, open the App Launcher, which is the grid icon in the top left. In the search bar or the app grid, find and select Cases. This takes you to the Cases list view, where you can see recent or assigned cases depending on your filters. To create a new case, click New. If your organization uses record types, you may see a second prompt or a selection dialog. Go ahead and confirm by clicking New again or choosing the correct record type your team uses. This opens the case creation form. Begin by setting the case status. Open the status dropdown and choose Working. This helps your team understand that the case is currently being addressed. Next, set the priority. If you see a field showing none, open the drop-down and select medium. Some orgs show multiple priority-related fields or SLA indicators. If you see a second place to choose a level, select medium there as well so your priority is consistent. Now assign ownership. Click the case owner field to confirm or change who will work the case. Depending on your permission and your team's process, you can keep it assigned to yourself or reassign it to a queue or another user. Getting ownership right up front helps with routing and response times. Add the customer context next. Click into the contact name field and search for or select the correct contact. This ties the case to a specific person, which is crucial for communication and history tracking. Then click into the account name field and choose the related account. Linking the account ensures your case reflects the right company-level information, entitlements, and any existing relationships. With the basics in place, provide a clear subject. Type a concise, action-oriented subject that summarizes the issue, such as login failing on mobile app or billing discrepancy on latest invoice. Keep it brief but specific so it's easy to scan and list views and reports. Then move down to the description and add the full details. Include what the user was trying to do, what happened instead, any error messages, the steps to reproduce, and relevant timestamps or environments. The more precise you are here, the faster your team can troubleshoot. If your process includes internal notes or custom fields, fill those out consistently with your team's standards. When everything looks good, click Save. Salesforce will create the case and take you to the case record page, where you can review details, add comments, attach files, and collaborate with your team. If you notice there's already an existing case about the same issue, you can merge them to keep everything clean and avoid duplicate work. On the case record, click Merge Cases. In the Merge interface, select the existing case you want to merge with. You can usually search or pick from suggested matches. Choose the one that truly represents the same customer issue. Click. Next to continue, you'll now choose which case should be the primary or master record. Select the support case you want to keep as the main one, typically the most complete or the most recently updated. Review the key fields to ensure the master case will preserve the most accurate subject, description, and ownership. Click Next again. Finally, click Merge to complete the process. Be aware that merges can be irreversible and may require specific permissions, so double-check your selections before confirming. After the merge, you'll have one consolidated case with combined history and a clearer path to resolution. That's it. You've created a Salesforce support case, captured the essential details, and learned how to merge duplicates when needed. Use clear subjects, thorough descriptions, and accurate contact and account links every time to help your team resolve issues faster and keep your case data reliable. Thanks for watching, and happy case management.